bull gives you wings. Okay, there's spur and SRY trap yard. Waiting for the train. Let's see. Yeah, it'd be nice to have a Coke. Just kidding. It's pretty quiet now on the SRY trap yard. There's the rapid bus there. And the spur, yeah. See, they dug up some pavement here or something. I'm not sure. Anyway, the spur. Yeah, I forgot to mention this SRY. So anytime it's when it took train time, I see some going in there. Yeah. Starting on the southbound side. Vertebrate trap side, the CNR switching around cars. See a sidetrack, some box cars in there. Yeah, look like just a few cars from the other side track there where they switched up. Or yeah, from yesterday, from here maybe. Not sure the eastbound Valley job had left early for today's run or not. I'm not sure, but some other TP9s there for over the slug, I should say. But you see one lone boxcar in that one far side of the track, and then they're switching brakes. Oh, okay, maybe. Never mind, everything's ready for eastbound action. Wednesday they didn't take any car, but today I guess they will take a car or a few cars. I'm not sure. Yeah, the other engine over there probably came from Queensboro or when the shops run overnight. Maybe center beams and it's, yeah. Box cars at the end. 3 hoppers and 2 center beams, so. Close up the engines here without any further ado. Crew members coming back to the train, I guess. Yeah, that's what I thought. No open hopper or whatever, but there goes the big power. Yesterday it looked like it was a bit more on the train. Oh, a different angle. I know the post might be in the way, but I guess the train's on its way now. Yeah. That's well here. Besides Alex Fraser over there. Yeah. Wow. One locomotive needs a little bit repainting there. Different model, that's for sure. Yes, I know. Probably going to pick up some freight maybe, or switching. Well, the CNR is going. I guess the SRY may be gone too. I guess I'm not sure. Yeah, SRY may have left. They usually would back up by now, unless, I don't know, something there, but I think they left possible. Quick view while I'm on the southbound side of the overpass here, standing near the southbound section. Eastbound SkyTrain heading into the 22nd there. Flatbed carrying GFL containers. Oh, moving trucks, haven't seen much of them. Homes. You can see a little bit mist from the morning here because the way things are getting a little bit cooler. Almost like a kind of a fog. Yeah, the sun will be out soon enough though. So 22nd one time from here. Yeah.